homophobic, like a looter in a riot. Don't try it. Got your attention, but nope, I ain't intimidated. But lately this shit happening is reasonably frustrated. If I was into guys, then I'd be gay, but I'm not, so I can be unbiased and say I have an addiction to cha-cha putty tat. It's true, I fucked my life up behind getting more pussy too. But this isn't about me or anybody in particular. This goes out to everybody in Dallas. There is a side of town where people LDQT preferences can be found. They party with all the good drugs. There are women so butch, bull dagger thugs. There's upmost high class, money, wealthy celebs. Next lipstick lesbies with long legs. Then the men doing who they recall. But the most famous queens, what they call the guys dressed in costumes as women. Extreme drag show on stage grinning. None have reached their pinnacle. Laverne Cox isn't even cynical. He's got nothing to lose. She's already won the drag queen contest. Now says trans just for fun. Okay, already she's a boy born female in his body. Sure, number of holes equals 7. But look, listen, sit down, be quiet. You're confusing the stupid people and start to riot. It's gonna end up all better. Just admit there is only 2 sexes. What you do with yours back in Texas ain't worth proving a point. Only creates more injustice. Misconstrued haters annoying. Y'all get recognized everywhere that you go. Your choice is your own, not wrong. Oh no, needs for constitutional edits. MF stands for motherfuckers, male or female at birth. That's facts, no others. Thank you very much, peace and love to all people, boys and broads. I just thought about it. There's 3 kinds of people in this world: dicks, pussies, and assholes. End of story, equal. That's